Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And this wig that I have on my head is coming from the Faeryle company from Amazon. Basically, they hit me up. They want me and the Faeryle company have tamed up to bring you guys another wonderful wig review. This particular review that I am reviewing is their 22-inch, really nice body wave synthetic headband unit. Yes, I know you guys are used to me coming on here with human hair headbands, but this is actually a synthetic headband. And no, the headband that I have on my head did not come from this company. It actually came from a black-owned boutique called Be Glamorous on IG. I will leave the link down below of how to purchase one of these cuties. But yes, the wig itself came from Amazon. Of course, as always, you already know when I do headband reviews, especially reviews from Amazon, you already know I'm going to leave the link for you guys because I want you to be able to cop this unit just like I cop this unit, you know? So let's get into it before we get into the details of the hair. So this is your packaging, how it comes. It just says fashion on there. They gave me 3 headbands, but it was just something about this hair where I had to wear my glamorous, my bougie girl headband. It gave me 3 headbands. Well, nope. 4 headbands. So this is one style. And of course, as always, they give you a random leopard. And then I have this one, which is cute. It has butterflies on there. And then I have this one that has some nice printing on there. And of course, they gave me a mesh netted cap, which I'm never going to use. And of course, like I said, this one is synthetic and it's in 22 inches. So let's get into my initial review of this unit. For it to be synthetic, it flows like a dream. It is effortless. Like, do y'all not see this? Like, this reminds me of, I call it church girl hair. Like, this is every bit of, I want to sit on that second pew and be a total PK for a minute. Like, this is that vibe that it's giving me, and I love everything about this unit. It flows so beautifully. Like, for this to be synthetic and me raking my hands through it, that is a $1 million plus. I freaking love it. I think it's pretty dope. It's very full. It is 150 density. So believe it or not, when I was taking it out the package, it was kind of heavy. So it has that weight like synthetic, like some synthetic wigs do. But when I actually have it on my head, it's not heavy at all. It's very lightweight. And it's very full. Like, I love the fullness of this unit. Like, this is giving me everything. I like it. I really think it's really, really darling. It just has your typical headband piece. Of course, it has your the elastic band that's in the front that keeps it snapped together. I left out a little bit of my baby hair to kind of give you guys a full vibe of how this unit goes and everything. So, because I usually wear the other headband, so I want to give you guys something different to work with. This is pretty much it. It's very simple, easy. She didn't cost that much. I think she was less than 30 bucks. I'm going to say that she was less than $30. So if that is a steal and a plus for you guys, definitely head over to the Faeryle company and definitely cop this unit. If this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye!